Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Online. Getting started with QuickBooks Online is straightforward. First, you will set up your company profile, including your business name and industry, and customize your chart of accounts to fit your specific needs. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts. This allows for automatic transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Finally, you can invite your accountant or team members, granting them access to collaborate efficiently. This initial setup ensures a solid foundation for your financial management. Once set up, managing your income and expenses becomes simple. You can easily create and send professional invoices to your customers, tracking their payment status in real time. Recording all your business expenses is crucial. Categorize each transaction accurately to ensure proper tax deductions. Furthermore, QuickBooks Online helps you manage bills from your vendors, allowing you to schedule payments and maintain a healthy cash flow. This systematic approach provides a clear picture of your financial transactions. Understanding your financial health is vital, and QuickBooks Online offers robust reporting tools. You can generate essential financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet, providing valuable insights into your business performance. Monthly, reconcile your bank and credit card statements to ensure all transactions are accounted for and accurate. Additionally, the platform helps you prepare and file sales tax reports efficiently, ensuring you remain compliant with regulations. These features empower informed decision-making. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks Online offers advanced features to streamline your operations further. You can set up and manage payroll for your employees or contractors, ensuring timely and accurate payments. For product-based businesses, tracking inventory levels and managing projects with detailed insights is invaluable. Remember to customize your settings and explore integrating third-party applications to enhance functionality, tailoring the software to your unique business needs. These tools help optimize your overall business management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.